In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use your Brother HL-L2400DW printer. So I'll show you how to install the toner, load the paper, and how to print. It's very easy, so let's get into it. Start off by removing any blue strip of plastic that you find on the printer here. Turn your printer around and place the power cable into the back left of the printer just here. So just make sure that it's aligned with the tongs. Make sure you push it all the way in like this. Here is the power button to turn the printer on. So just press and hold that for a second and the printer will turn on. You'll then see this message on the screen. Open the front cover. It wants us to install the toner. On the left side of the printer, you'll see this dent here. Just put your finger or thumb in it and pull down to open up the front cover. Here is the toner, so go ahead and remove it from the packaging. When you take it out, you'll see this orange strip of plastic around it. What you want to do is simply pull this off. It's not supposed to be on, so just completely remove it. And then you can discard of it when you're finished. Now hold the toner like this with the Brother label facing you. And we're simply just going to glide it into the printer like this. So once you have it like this, just press it forward and you'll hear it click. And if you go to move it, it should be steady. It shouldn't wobble about. Once you're finished, just go ahead and flip up the lid. And you should now see this ready message on the printer screen. At the very bottom front of the printer, there is this gap here. What you want to do is slide your hand in and just pull it open. And here is the paper tray. It's fully removable, so you can go ahead and take it out to make it easier to install the paper. You'll see it has these two green guides. We can adjust these for different paper sizes. So for letter sized paper, you would press the guide all the way at the top here. So what you want to do is pinch it with your finger and thumb and then drag it all the way to the top, which is the letter sized paper. And we'll now do the same for the other one. So we can see we have our different paper sizes. Once again, just pinch it and then drag it all the way over. And it's now at letter sized. So you'll see this marking on the right side, which just means not to fill the paper above that red line. Now you just want to get your paper and align it, and then simply set it in the paper tray like this. The final thing you need to do now is simply slide the tray back into its slot, make sure it clicks all the way in. Come to the control panel, press OK and OK, and then you should see that it's accepted the paper. Use the down arrow key to navigate through the menu until you see the network, then press OK. Press OK on Wi-Fi, and then press OK on Find Network. So now you need to enable the Wi-Fi by pressing the down button, and it's then going to search for all the wireless networks that are around the printer. It will then show you them one by one. So to navigate through them, just press the down arrow and look for your Wi-Fi name. When it's selected, press OK. And now you need to type in your Wi-Fi key. So we can do this by using the down and up arrow keys to select either the letter, number, or if your Wi-Fi password has symbols in it. It's quite tedious, however, you'll only need to enter in the Wi-Fi password once. So when you have the letter selected, you just want to press OK, and then it will bring you on to the next one until you've complete your password. So if you want to delete something, you can just press this back arrow and it will remove it in case you've typed the wrong number or letter. When your password is fully typed, press OK, and it will ask you, do you want to apply the settings? Press the down arrow and it's now going to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. You'll then see this connected message. This is good. That means the printer is connected and we're ready to print. So just press OK. On your phone, go to your App Store or your Play Store, and you want to search for the Brother Mobile Connect app. This is what we'll be using to print. So go ahead and download and open it up. Press Next at the bottom. Let's get started. Then you need to just agree to the software license agreement. Press Next. Then you can choose to allow notifications if you want. It's up to you. It will then take you to a web page where it asks you to create an account. However, you don't need to, so you can scroll down and then skip the registration. So from here, it'll either give you two options: add a connected machine or set up a new machine. As we've just connected the printer to our Wi-Fi, you want to select the top option here, add connected machine. Now you need to allow the Mobile Connect app to find devices. And here it should automatically detect your printer. So what you just need to do is press on it here. And they're just going to try and get you to join their Brother Connect service. However, if you scroll down, you can continue without the benefits if you don't want to pay for it. And here we go. We can just press exit setup as it's now connected. It will redirect you to this web page. So just come back to the app once you've connected your printer, and you might have to do a firmware update. So if you do, just go ahead and press OK. I'm just going to cancel it just for the sake of this video. So now we see the home screen. If you press on your printer at the top, you can see how much toner is left. So now this is the home screen of the app. So to print, you can either choose photo print or document print. It will then open up your phone's files. So you just want to select the document that you want to print, and it's going to show you a preview of that document. So you can either choose to just print from here. However, if you press on this cog wheel here, you can change some of the printer settings. So here you can press this plus button and add some copies if you wanted more than one print. You can also do two-sided printing. And then we have things like the quality. So if you wanted a better quality, you would select fine. And then because this document has 3 pages, I can select which pages I want to print. So I'll deselect the second and the third and only have the first one print. And now before we press the print button, just pull out this flap at the top of the printer to make sure our page doesn't fall. And now we can confirm the print. So here is our very first printed page using this printer. And obviously it's a mono printer, so it only prints in black and white. And when you're finished, you can just come back to your phone and press on this X in the top right, and it will bring you back to the home screen of the Brother app. I'll now show you how to connect your computer to this printer. Click on the Windows button in the bottom left here, and then type printers and scanners. So here it is here. Click on that. Then in the top right, you want to click on this blue Add Device button. It will then automatically find your Brother printer. So what you want to do is click on the Add Device beside the printer, and it will then begin to install it on your computer. It should only take around a minute or so. And once it's complete, you'll see that it says ready below it, just here, which means we're ready to print. I've got this document opened up. So on this top left menu, here is the print button. However, sometimes it might be in the top right. But if you can't find it, you can always press the print shortcut on your keyboard, which is the Control plus the letter P. Here it will bring up the print settings. So the printer isn't selected right now, so what you need to do is click into this and then select the Brother HL printer. And below that we can change some more settings. So I'll change this to landscape, and there's no other changes that I like to make, so just click on print at the bottom. And this is our first printed page with the computer setup. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe.